Every year, the world harvests more than 90 million tons of sweet potatoes, with China alone contributing nearly 80 million tons, maintaining its position as the largest producer on the planet. Sweet potatoes are not only a food source that feeds millions of people, but also the foundation of a billion-dollar agricultural industry, supported by endless fields and modern production technology. So what creates these massive harvests and makes this familiar root crop one of the most important crops in the world? Sweet potatoes are one of the world's most important food crops, known for their strong adaptability, high yields, and outstanding nutritional value. To create high-yield sweet potato fields, everything begins with soil preparation. In the early stage, the soil is plowed about 8 to 12 inches deep to improve looseness, while organic fertilizer is added to increase fertility. Next, farmers form raised beds about 10 to 16 inches high to improve drainage, creating ideal conditions for the tubers to grow evenly and reach high quality. In your opinion, are sweet potatoes a favorite food in your family? In many growing regions, this work is still carried out entirely by hand. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are typically propagated using vine cuttings about 10 to 12 inches long, taken from healthy, vigorous mother plants. Farmers carefully place each cutting into the raised bed in the correct growth direction, burying about 2 to 3 nodes beneath the soil while maintaining proper spacing between plants so the tubers have enough room to develop. Afterward, The soil is covered and gently pressed to secure the cuttings, then watered immediately after planting to maintain moisture and encourage root development. Have you ever seen farmers planting sweet potatoes by hand in real life? On large-scale farms, sweet potatoes are often planted by machine to improve productivity and save labor. During operation, the machine automatically places each cutting in the correct growth direction, maintaining spacing of about 10 to 14 inches between plants and 30 to 40 inches between rows. Immediately afterward, the system covers the cuttings with soil and gently presses them down, helping the roots quickly attach to the soil. With high working speed, each machine can plant about 1 hectare in just 3 to 4 hours, significantly saving time and labor. Once the plants begin to take root, sweet potatoes are watered and fertilized regularly to support healthy growth. Farmers regularly remove weeds, hill the soil around the plants, and control pests and diseases to help the tubers develop evenly. Thanks to proper care, the plants quickly cover the raised beds and produce high yields. If you had the chance to experience it, would you prefer planting sweet potatoes by hand or operating these modern machines? After about 90 to 150 days of growth, when the leaves begin to turn yellow and the tubers reach standard size, the sweet potato fields enter harvest season. First, workers cut away the vines and leaves to expose the sweet potato beds. Next, they use hoes or shovels to gently dig around the base, loosen the soil, and carefully lift the entire cluster of sweet potatoes to avoid breaking or scratching the tubers. To reduce damage, farmers must accurately identify the position of the tubers before digging, because even a small mistake can cause the sweet potatoes to crack or break, reducing their commercial value. In addition, manual harvesting allows farmers to easily inspect tuber quality and soil conditions directly in the field. On large-scale farms, sweet potato harvesters are used to increase speed and reduce labor costs. As the machine moves along the beds, its digging blade lifts both the soil and sweet potatoes onto a conveyor belt, while gentle vibration removes attached soil. After being separated from the vines, the sweet potatoes move along the conveyor so workers can remove damaged tubers before transferring them into containers. A modern harvester can work on 1 to 2 hectares per hour, greatly shortening harvest time and reducing post-harvest losses. In your opinion, does hand harvesting or machine harvesting produce better quality sweet potatoes? Immediately after harvest, sweet potatoes are quickly transported to processing plants to preserve freshness and quality. At the factory, sweet potatoes are sent to the cleaning area where they are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, impurities, and foreign materials from the surface, ensuring cleanliness and safety for consumers. To automate this stage, the KNNK 315 DTAN sweet potato cleaning and polishing machine is used. This equipment removes soil and impurities from the tuber surface while efficiently polishing sweet potatoes with high capacity. After cleaning, sweet potatoes continue through sorting systems to be classified by size, shape, and quality. Tubers that do not meet standards are removed. while qualified products are sent to the packaging area. As a result, product quality remains consistent and meets the strict standards of both domestic and export markets. The final step before reaching consumers is packaging. Each sweet potato is carefully placed into mesh bags, cardboard boxes, or specialized packaging to reduce impact and maintain freshness during transportation and storage. Have you ever seen a modern sweet potato sorting line like this in real life? Today, many factories use automatic robots to improve packaging efficiency. With smart sensors and flexible mechanical arms, robots can sort and arrange up to 1,200 sweet potatoes per hour, increasing productivity, reducing costs, and ensuring consistent quality. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave the name of your country in the comments so we can know.